Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to stop paying for Google One but keep your Google account? In this video I'll show you how to cancel your Google One subscription while keeping your files safely. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Google One subscription settings. And to do that, just go to open your web browser and then search for Google One. And from the results, select the website one.google.com and click on it. Now after the website appears, make sure you sign up using your Google account. And once signed in, you're gonna be directed to your Google One dashboard, like you can see here. And after that, if you already have a plan, you're gonna have a lot of options here. As you can see, I don't have any plan. I just have a normal free plan. But click on the settings by clicking on the gear icon on the top right corner. And here, if you already purchased a subscription, you're gonna have to cancel the subscription. And you can do that under Manage Subscription by clicking on Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. As for the third step is to check your storage limit. Now after canceling, your Google Drive, Gmail and photo storage goes back to 15 GB free limit, as you can see. Here it's the basic plan, the basic free plan. This gives you 50 gigabytes of storage. Now if you exceed this limit, Google might delete older files or stop new uploads. You can resubscribe anytime if you need more space later, and Google gives you a grace period after cancellation, which your files won't be deleted immediately. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you cancel Google One. Just go to settings, cancel your plan and manage your storage wisely. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.